Sempervivums are succulent perennials forming mats of small and dense rosettes that sit low to the ground. They are flowering plants in the Crassulaceae family, and are native to southern Europe and northern Africa. The name Sempervivum has its origin in the Latin words semper for always and vivus for living. They are commonly known by other names such as houseleeks in reference to these plants being grown on roofs in Europe. They were believed to ward off fire and lightning strikes. Hen and chicks refers to the offsets produced around the mature rosette or at the end of long stolons. Another name is live forever. Most are frost-resistant succulents, and can grow in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 8. They prefer growing zones where they can enjoy cool nights and cold dormant seasons. The thick fleshy leaves of Sempervivums are arranged in a dense rosette. The colors vary from green, red, brown, orange, pink, to yellow. The flowers are star-shaped, and usually come in pink or red. Sempervivums are monocarpic, meaning each rosette dies after flowering, but the offsets will continue to grow and reproduce vegetatively, making it seem like the plant continues to live forever. Sempervivums are excellent additions in rock gardens and as container plants. They can also be added in terrariums, dish gardens, and succulent arrangements. Sempervivums can grow in poor soil, but they will perform better when planted in well-draining, nutrient-rich, gritty soil. Use a mix of compost and sharp sand or perlite. If growing these plants in a container, use a potting mix specifically for succulents and cacti. Mulch the soil surface with small pebbles or pea gravel. Plant them in a site that gets full sun in colder climates. But they are not as heat-tolerant as other succulents, and will appreciate some shade in the afternoon in extremely hot climates. Sempervivums are drought-tolerant, so water them sparingly. Check the soil and make sure it is dry before watering. Never overwater these plants to prevent crown and root rot. Sempervivums can grow well without fertilizing. But they benefit from a slow-release fertilizer in early spring at the start of the growing season. Sempervivums are tough plants that usually grow without problems. If you see any signs of mealybug or aphid infestations, remove them using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Do not overwater the plants to prevent diseases. They are resistant to deer and rabbits. Sempervivums are not known to contain any toxic compounds. Therefore, they are considered safe plants to grow around pets and children. Sempervivums can easily be propagated by dividing the offset. Wait until the offsets are at least half the size of the mother rosette. The best time to divide the offsets is spring and summer. Gently wiggle the offset loose or cut the stolon connecting the offset to the mother plant. And plant the offset in fresh mix of compost and sand or succulent mix. Some of the Sempervivum varieties are Sempervivum tectorum or common houseleek includes the most varieties and hybrids. Sempervivum arachnoideum or cobweb houseleek is a variety that has a fine layer of web-like covering on each rosette. Sempervivum cosinini is a variety with small, fuzzy, light green rosettes with dark maroon tips. Sempervivums are closely related to Echeveria. They also share the same common name hen and chicks. The main differences between the two are, Sempervivum rosettes are smaller than Echeveria. Sempervivums are very cold hardy, while Echeveria thrives in warmer zones. Thank you for watching.